Matthias Grünewald was born 1470, died August 31, 1528. Was a German Renaissance painter of religious works who ignored Renaissance classicism to continue the style of late medieval Central European art into the 16th century. His first name is also given as Mathis and his surname is Gothart or Neithardt. Only 10 paintings including several polyptychs and 35 drawings survive, all religious, although many others were lost at sea on their way to Sweden as war booty. He was obscure until the late 19th century, when many of his paintings were attributed to Albrecht Dürer, who is now seen as his stylistic antithesis. His largest and most famous work is the Isenheim Altarpiece created circa 1512 to 1516.